Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Washington Park School in Totowa, New Jersey. I'm here in the gymnasium where we just had an assembly for grades 4 and 5. It's my first time to this school. And the main focus on today's program was all about bullying, but more importantly, looking at someone's heart first, right? We talk about treating people like you treat your best friend, having the courage to stand up for what's right, to show that compassion, show that love, and to also know that we have to see people for who they truly are inside, that our heart, as big as our fist, right? If we let love, kindness, peace fully enter our heart, we can turn this into this peace sign. And that's kind of how that love starts to form, is by us being able to look past people's outer differences or anything that we think might separate us from them or keeping us from showing love in the first place, whether it's jealousy or just judgments or biases, whatever it could be. And we look to kind of flip that script and start to really see people for who they truly are, right? Turning that our hearts into peace, into love. Knowing that one finger is ourself, the other is someone you're trying to lift up higher than yourself by how you choose to treat them, hopefully with kindness. But it's also two, because in just 2 seconds, we can say something so kind, one word, one breath, one action, 2 seconds, one heartbeat. And we can say something so wonderful, it stays on someone's heart in a positive way for the rest of their life, or in 2 seconds, we can say something so mean that it actually destroys a life. In 2 seconds, yes, that's not bullying. Bullying has to be over and over and over again. But the things that aren't bullying, even the one-time actions or words, can still leave that same impact. And to know that we have that power, and to know we can make that difference, positive or negative, at a young age, all of a sudden we realize we have this responsibility, right? As human beings, to keep lifting up others higher than ourselves and to make that conscious choice to show that love each and every day, to really be that change that Gandhi talks about, right? Be the change you want to see for this world. And we must do that. We really must. You know, in today's society, there's so many reasons why we have to be all in. We got to get past any current pain in our heart, future pain, past pain, whatever's going on, that we can turn hurt people who hurt people into healed people who heal people. And that's such an important lesson to comprehend also at a very young age. And the students really got that. There's a lot of pin drop moments, some tears too. Tears are the sweat of our strength, some healing and feeling, but we turn that hurt people who hurt people into healed people who heal people, right? We become fully healed. We choose to forgive instead of, try to hate someone back or name call them back or spread a rumor back. We rise above that hate. We show that person who's hurting what they need the most, kindness. We really try to forgive and show that instead of violence, instead of the, people that want to just bring us down to their level. There's so many opinions out there, but not every opinion matters. What matters is that we can try to be that light to their hearts, right? Show them that they're good enough, that they're great enough, that they can also push aside some of that hate and intolerance, and just step into the potential for a life of, a life devoted to compassion, a life devoted to change, a life devoted to understanding our worth and value and seeing that in others too. We always talk about this as well in all my assemblies. We all have the letter M etched on the palm of our hands with the lines of our hand. We have at least one on each hand. I traced one of mine here. And that M stands for miracle, like the front of my shirt. Upside down, W, that's for worthy, that we're beautiful miracles worthy of love. But again, so many students, people in general, youth especially, they'll reach out to me and say that they don't believe that, or they've never been told that, or they've forgotten that somewhere along the way, right? But we need to be able to reverse that and say, hey, that's not who you are, that you can always understand your true worth and value. And it's so important we do that, because so many people out here that are hurting, that need us, that need that type of, love in their heart. We can help them reverse whatever they're going through and try to become even better people, better humans because of it. So they got that today through a series of heartfelt stories, some inspirational videos, some positive music, and really took it to heart that they can and will continue to make a huge difference, positively impact thousands of lives during their lifetimes if they just keep their heart open. You guys touch my heart. You guys are beautiful. Have a great rest of the Student Appreciation Day and week, but also have a great rest of the school year, great summertime, and hope to see you all again in the future. Until then, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. Feel free to check out this playlist here for some additional motivation. You can also visit my website by clicking the peace sign symbol on your screen tablet wherever you're watching this to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.